Evelyn. Welcome to my channel. On the first day of our 4-day trip, we visited Warner Brothers Studio and explored Hollywood. Let's go! We started with a short intro film, then hopped on a guided tram tour. Our tour guide was really funny and told lots of cool behind-the-scenes stories. We rode through the outdoor backlot, where the sets looked just like real-life neighborhoods and city streets. There were banks, schools, shops, and all kinds of buildings. Everything looked so real. But the funny thing is, a lot of the buildings are just facades. The front walls are real, but there's nothing behind them. On the tram, there was a screen in front of us, and every time we passed a famous set or building, it played clips from movies or TV shows that were filmed there. We stopped a few times to take pictures, and our guide helped us get some great shots. We even saw real crew members working on set, moving equipment around and getting ready to film. Some of the actors looked kind of famous, but I didn't recognize any of them. Then we went inside a real soundstage. It was way bigger than I expected and built to block out sound, light, and heat. Inside, it was super quiet and felt like a different world. We even drove through a building where people were making movie props. It looked so fun! I think it would be really cool to have a job like that when I grow up. After the tram tour, we explored Stage 48, Script to Screen, a big indoor exhibit where you can learn how movies and TV shows are made, from writing the script to filming, editing, and even sound design. We saw real scripts, storyboards, costumes, and props used in famous movies and shows. There were displays from Harry Potter, The Big Bang Theory, Friends, and many others. There were also interactive experiences, like trying out green screen effects and learning how movies use visual and sound effects. It was super fun and hands-on. We even got to record our own voiceover for a movie scene.
Mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents!
Yeah.
Then we visited the Friends Central Perk cafe. I haven't watched Friends before, but lots of adults were really excited to see it. Then we took a shuttle to Action and Magic Made Here, the final exhibit building before the exit. It had displays from superhero films, magical stories, and more. But my favorite was definitely the Wizarding World, the Harry Potter section. It felt like stepping right into one of the movies. There were amazing props, costumes, and recreated sets like spellbooks, wands, cauldrons, and even the sorting hat.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Gryffindor!
I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, so that part was like a dream come true. Every Harry Potter fan would love it there. After finishing the studio tour, we took an Uber to downtown Hollywood. We went to the TCL Chinese Theatre to watch The Wild Robot, and I was super excited. I had read the whole book series and had been waiting forever to see the movie. Roz looked exactly how I imagined her in my head. The theater has the largest IMAX screen in California, and the movie experience was absolutely amazing. Outside the theater, I saw lots of handprints, footprints, and signatures from famous actors, including some from Chinese celebrities. After the movie, we walked along the Hollywood Walk of Fame, looked at the stars on the sidewalk, and had some dinner nearby. Then we headed back to our hotel to rest. That was the end of day 1. For the next 2 days, we spent 2 full days at Universal Studios. I'll show you all of that in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more of our travel adventures. See you next time!